How to change your YouTube handle name before 14 days. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can change our YouTube handle name before 14 days. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to change your YouTube name before 14 days, there are certain steps you need to follow. The very first step is opening up your YouTube app. After opening up your YouTube app, log in into your account that you want to delete or change the name of. So here I have logged in into my account. After logging into your account, just simply tap on your profile. Here you just need to simply tap on this view channel option. After tapping on it, just tap on this pen icon. You'll be able to see that option very easily. Just tap on pen icon, and here you can see this handle name here. So here YouTube gives you 2 chances of changing your name before 14 days. If it is more than 2, you can't really change it. But here, if before 14 days, just to change your name, you just need to simply come up to this process and follow this process and get here. After that, simply tap on this pen icon, and here you can see I can change my handle name very easily. So simply change your handle name and tap on save. After that, you'll be able to successfully change your YouTube handle name. If you're not able to do it after 14 days, if you have lost your chance of changing your name 2 days, 2 times already, so what you can do is simply go to YouTube support and go to support.google.com. After that, describe your issue here. Say YouTube handle, type in YouTube handle here, and go in with the further process of changing it, of how they suggest you how you can change your name. You may just appeal them on how you want to change your YouTube handle name. So therefore, by following this method, you can change your YouTube handle name before 14 days. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.